Look at this, it's a Nordine. Copeland reciprocating, straight cool 4-blade. Oh, somebody ripped that off. And this looks like an old Lennox that probably doesn't work. This thing's dented in like crazy. It's got a 4-blade, kind of typical for Lennox. Once again, the data is completely unreadable. I can see right there condensing unit, so it's a straight cool. And Lennox must be really old. It looks kind of like an Amana or a Cinder General. Kind of wiggly. That's not really too good of a coil guard. I think this is an Amana. That's what I'm thinking. It must be an Amana. I'm thinking this must be an Amana. That's what it looked like. Yeah, it's definitely old too. There's compressor data. I don't know what brand compressor it is. There's the data. And here's a good one. 10-seater. It's got a Bristol. The data's way back here. I'm not getting that. And another one of these weird units. I don't know what the heck these are. This is a line rubbing against the compressor. It looks like it's been bent on it or something. That's probably going to cause a leak eventually. This one's data is gone. Four more. Airflow. Something is a straight cool. This is all straight cool. The diamond install. This one is a 13-seer, 36,000 BTU. I think it's in 2014. And then there's a York product. Hacked motor. It's a Coleman. This one doesn't have one. It's been ripped off. It looks like a Bristol reciprocating. Straight cool. Wires hanging everywhere. One was snipped. And an ICP. This one has an LG compressor. This one is from 2017. 36,000 BTUs. February of 2017. Look at another Coleman. Bristol reciprocating. This one's not really hacked. It's pretty normal. The data is still existing on this one. This one didn't have a Coleman logo, but you can tell there used to be one right here. It must have fell off. Definitely looks like the original disconnects. Doesn't look like any of them were ever changed. This is probably not original because those old ones back there, those round ones, are probably original. Alright.